Hi everyone, I'm Charlotte Jones, I'm from Liverpool and I'm 22. So I am joining Pro Blo today because they've asked me to come in. I've done a few tutorials and I've put a few before and after photos up and they've really loved them, so they've asked me to come in and do a tutorial for you all. My favourite size barrel are mediums and smalls. And you got really thin hair, really thin, small hair, not a lot of it. So I use the medium ones in the top to create a bit of a bounce and then the bottom ones to create the curls in the bottom. Okay. So when I'm sectioning my hair, I do my hair a bit different to other people that I've seen do it. I seem to start from the top and work my way down, when people start from the bottom and work their way up. I like to do my main bits first. So when I'm doing my main bits, I haven't got a lot of hair in the front, so I do a section there and a section of the second bit. At the end of the brush, just scoop it through your hair, got your sections. Just going to start with a medium sized barrel, just make sure it fits to the barrel. So basically, it's just brush and your handle, just click it on, pop it off. So you can already see there's a bit of a curl there. That's just because my hair is dry. It's dried all the way through, as you can see. It's just the brush is just coming straight through my hair. You need the smoothness just to be able to wrap all the bristles around your hair, especially for when you're rolling up. So when I'm rolling up, I just like to make sure all the hair is in place. Just keep fitting it all in, so it's not messy. You don't want to roll it in too tight, just in case. Pop that off. So when you're rolling it in, just make sure you don't roll too tight, just because when you're rolling the barrel out, you just don't want any tats or knots or any excess hair to come out of it. So when you're rolling in your barrel, you just want to make sure that it's 100% dry, just to make sure that there's no kinks in it. When you take it out, you don't want any kinks on the top of your hair. So when I go to blow dry my hair, I do normally just flick it over, just because I've seen a few people do it and I think when you are brushing your hair, it just gives you that curl at the end. If you just wrap it round, it sort of just ensures, before you put the hairdryer on, that you have got that curl. So after my hair is all in and complete, normally I just do a quick blast around my hair just to make sure that all my hair is dry. You don't want to be taking any curls out that aren't 100%, just because it won't work. They'll just, when they dry, they will go flat. So I'm just going to do a quick wash around my hair just to make sure that. I've left my rollers in 15 minutes now, so I'm just going to show you all how to take them out. So when you are taking your rollers out, I'm going to start from the bottom. I know I did put the top ones in first, but the top ones have got more hair in them, so I'm just going to start from the bottom. Roll out. Just because you don't get no tats, you don't get no kinks, and your hair doesn't tangle. Also, what I like to do with the brush when I've taken the rollers out is just brush for a few seconds and then curl. So if you are looking to keep your curly blow in for a few days, what I would normally do is just roll your hair up in a bun and wrap it in a bun at the top of your head. And then once you take it out in the morning, your hair should still be quite curly. So once I've took all my curls out, I just like to run my fingers through it, just try and style it the way I normally have it. So I do normally have it on the side. Let's have a bit of a fringe out.
That is lovely.
really curly, really bouncy. Eyebrow Plo, just because look at the results that you get. It makes life easier. It doesn't cost that much. It's not time consuming. You just put your curls in, blast your hair, take them out, and then you end up with results like these. I love this product. I could recommend it to anyone. I've recommended it to half of my family so far, and everyone loves the results that you see from it.